Hi, I'm Gordon from Camera Labs, and this is a super quick look at the Canon HG-100TBR, a new mini tripod grip stand for vlogging which includes a side bracket for mounting an external microphone, like the equally new DM-E100 which you can see here. The grip is pretty comfortable to hold and comes supplied with the mic bracket and also the BRE1 Bluetooth remote control which neatly slots into it. This allows you to remotely adjust the motorized zoom and operate the shutter on compatible cameras. You can also unclip and use this remote separately too. Two front legs also open out to convert the grip into a small tabletop tripod, while a button on the head allows you to tilt the camera mounting up or down to the desired angle. It's also possible to mount the camera in the vertical orientation for Instagram stories or IGTV and adjust the microphone bracket so that it remains to the side. Meanwhile, the supplied side bracket can be attached to mount any microphone or wireless receiver with a standard cold shoe, and again I have the new Canon DM-E100 fitted here, which draws its power from compatible cameras including the 70, 80 or 90D, the 200 or 250D, the M50, M6 II or G7X Mark III, which is what I'm using here. It's actually Canon's first microphone to use plug-in power, and while it is a stereo model, it is described as being fairly directional with a 120-degree pattern. The HG-100TBR vlogging stand costs £99 including the microphone bracket and also the BRE1 Bluetooth remote, while the DM-E100 directional microphone also costs £99. I wouldn't be surprised if some retailers bundle them together with certain cameras as a vlogging filmmaker's kit. Speaking of which, do also check out my latest video showing the autofocus improvements on the G7X Mark III with its new firmware update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.